అందరి రెడీ ఉన్నారా? అందరికీ తెలుసు that this month 6th there was a case registered in Fort Town police station where one of the persons Jami Suresh by name has been kidnapped by some of the offenders, and after kidnapping he was taken some secluded place and beaten, and after that they demanded money from him. They wanted to extort money as a ransom. So in this process this incident happened on 6th when this person, the complainant Jami Suresh, he was nearby DRM office, railway colony, along with one of his advocates. He was drinking in a car, and at that time 4 persons, unknown person came. Suddenly they shown the weapon and taken this fellow to a secluded place towards this Parwada. After that they bat him in that one house, and after beating they demanded 5 crore rupee as a ransom. He told that I am not in a position to pay that much money. Then after bargaining he agreed to pay 30 lakh rupee, but he told that I don't have 30 lakh cash, I have gold. I will keep this gold in some IIFL company lo petti as a mortgage, and I will give him money. On that he called his wife along with son, brought the gold ornaments, went to IIFL. At that time accused also took this fellow to the company there. When this fellow reached there, seeing this complainant, wife argued because this fellow is having tendency and involved earlier in some cheating cases. Then she argued that every time you are calling like this and asking money for things, and in that they are showing that this will pull their eyes or something like that. They are cheating people. So A1 is involved in 3 times he has committed an offence, but FIR was issued in one case where that is in Tirupati. He cheated one person, and that FIR was issued, and his name is Prasad, Palapu Prasad alias Karnataka Prasad, and second A2 is Pratap Reddy. That A1 is a native of Pratipadu, and this A2 is a native of Vizag. Both of them doing same thing. Then A2 is also an offender who is involved in 4 cases, and A2 and complainant are known to each other. They are accused in a case in Tekali. That's why this incident happened. Actually the incident atla jarigindi nenu cheptunnanu. A1 planned this that in Vizag we have to target some people who have money. He came along with his wife and children to the Vizag and he stayed in a lodge, Sirpuram area. Then he contacted this Pratap Reddy A2, who is earlier known to him, and he asked that whom we can cheat here in same way. So this fellow, because A2 and complainant are known to each other, he suggested that this fellow has huge cash or money, and if we will target this fellow we can get a huge money. So then 25th onwards, the 25th he came, 28th onwards they did recce. His movements and everything were noticed. After that 4th they have gone, and 5th he was kidnapped. Both people are known, and this is the history behind. But when they came to know that this fellow is going, so then 3rd they have called 4 other accused from Hyderabad, and they have picked up this fellow on 5th and taken the secluded place and beaten him.
ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చినట్టయితే లైక్ చేయండి, కామెంట్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి. అలాగే తప్పకుండా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి.